Welcome back, guys. Today, we're revealing the clever Amazon finds that are going viral, and you'll want them all. From time-saving kitchen tools to high-tech home upgrades, these gadgets are secretly making life easier for thousands of people. Let's check them out. As always, links to all products are in the description below, so you can grab your favorite. This rechargeable bathroom trash can offers a sleek, hands-free experience with its smart sensor lid, ensuring a hygienic and odor-free environment. The built-in rechargeable battery eliminates the need for constant replacements, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Its compact, waterproof design fits perfectly in bathrooms, keeping waste discreetly contained. With a quiet, responsive motion sensor, this trash can provide effortless convenience for daily use. This bagel slicer is designed for effortless, mess-free slicing. Featuring a safe grip handle and a stainless steel precision blade, it ensures a clean, even cut every time. Its sturdy, no-slip base provides extra stability, making it perfect for bagels, buns, and more. Enjoy quick, hassle-free slicing with safety and convenience in mind. This clothes drying rack is a space-saving solution for drying clothes efficiently. Its foldable tripod design ensures easy setup and storage, making it perfect for small spaces. With 360 degrees rotating arms, it provides ample hanging capacity for garments of all sizes. Made from sturdy and durable materials, it offers excellent stability and long-lasting use. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor drying, this rack is a must-have for hassle-free laundry days. This glass rinser is a must-have addition to any kitchen sink, designed for quick and efficient cleaning of glassware. With a powerful high-pressure water spray, it removes residue in seconds, making it perfect for cups, bottles, and mugs. The durable metal construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the sleek design seamlessly blends with any kitchen decor. Easy to install and use, this glass rinser enhances convenience and hygiene in your kitchen. This automatic stirrer is a unique automatic pan stirrer designed to save time and effort in the kitchen. With its built-in LED speed indicator, you can easily adjust the stirring speed for perfect consistency. Its hands-free operation allows you to multitask while cooking, ensuring even mixing and preventing burning. Ideal for sauces, soups, and more, this smart stirrer takes the hassle out of stirring. This swivel towel rack is a space-saving and stylish solution for organizing towels. Designed with 180-degree swivel arms, it allows for easy access and quick drying. Made of premium stainless steel, it resists rust and ensures durability. The wall-mounted design saves space while adding a modern touch to any bathroom. Easy to install, it's perfect for keeping your towels neat and within reach. This garlic press rocker is designed for effortless mincing with a simple rocking motion, making garlic prep quick and easy. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it ensures durability and rust resistance. Its ergonomic, comfortable grip reduces hand strain, perfect for everyday use. The smooth, curved design allows for easy cleaning. Just rinse under water or toss it in the dishwasher. This electric scalp massager offers a relaxing and invigorating massage experience with its 4 flexible massage nodes that mimic human fingers. Designed for deep scalp stimulation, it helps promote circulation, reduce stress, and support hair health. With multiple speed settings and a waterproof design, it's perfect for both dry and wet use, even in the shower. The cordless, rechargeable feature ensures convenience, making it easy to enjoy a soothing massage anytime, anywhere. This milk carton holder makes pouring milk easier and mess-free. Designed for stability and a comfortable grip, it's perfect for kids, seniors, or anyone with limited hand strength. The durable, lightweight material ensures long-lasting use, while its universal fit accommodates most standard milk cartons. This foldable wall-mounted desk is a space-saving solution perfect for small rooms, offices, or study areas. Designed with a sturdy wooden construction, it folds down easily when not in use, providing extra space. The multifunctional design includes storage shelves to keep essentials organized. Its modern and sleek look complements any decor while ensuring durability. Ideal for work, study, or daily tasks, this desk maximizes efficiency in compact spaces. This portable travel steamer is your perfect companion for wrinkle-free outfits on the go. Designed for fast heating and powerful steam output, it removes creases effortlessly in seconds. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the leak-proof system ensures hassle-free steaming at any angle. Safe for all fabrics, this steamer is ideal for home, travel, and last-minute touch-ups. This electric grinder offers effortless one-hand operation with a simple button press, making seasoning quick and convenient. Featuring an adjustable ceramic grinding core, it allows you to customize coarseness for the perfect flavor. The built-in LED light ensures precise seasoning, even in dim lighting. With a sleek, modern design and durable construction, it adds both style and functionality to your kitchen. This floor scrub brush is designed for effortless scrubbing of tiles, tubs, and floors. Featuring a stiff bristle brush, a built-in scraper, and an adjustable long handle, it tackles tough dirt and grime with ease. The durable, ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the versatile head reaches corners and edges effortlessly. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, patios, and more. This digital tape measure is the ultimate tool for precision and convenience. Designed for accuracy and ease, this rechargeable, small, smart rolling tape measure allows you to measure long distances effortlessly. The digital display provides instant readings, eliminating guesswork, while the compact design ensures easy portability. Whether you're measuring curved, irregular, or straight surfaces, the rolling function adapts seamlessly. This multifunctional bottle warmer is the ultimate solution for busy parents who want to make feeding time effortless. Designed for convenience, this bottle warmer quickly heats milk, defrosts baby food, and even sterilizes bottles, all in one compact device. Featuring precise temperature control, it ensures your baby's milk is warmed evenly and retains essential nutrients. With its fast heating technology, you can have a perfectly warmed bottle in just a few minutes, saving you time during those late-night feedings. Safe, efficient, and easy to use, this baby milk warmer is a must-have for every parent. This magnetic stove shelf is the perfect solution for maximizing kitchen space while keeping essentials within reach. Designed with a sleek stainless steel finish, it seamlessly blends with modern kitchen aesthetics, adding both functionality and style. The strong built-in magnets ensure a secure and stable attachment to your stove, requiring no drilling or installation effort. Ideal for storing spices, oils, and cooking essentials, this durable shelf is heat-resistant and easy to clean. Upgrade your kitchen organization effortlessly with this magnetic stove shelf. This magnetic spice grip is the perfect solution for RV camper kitchen organization, keeping your spices secure and easily accessible while on the move. Designed with strong magnetic backing, these jars attach firmly to any metal surface, such as refrigerators or magnetic spice racks, saving valuable counter and cabinet space. The airtight lids keep your seasonings fresh, while the clear top design allows for quick identification of contents. Whether you're in an RV, camper, or small kitchen, this space-saving solution ensures your favorite spices are always within reach. Say goodbye to clutter and enjoy a more organized cooking experience. And there you have it. Which city are you watching this video from? Drop it in the comments.